Yes, there are two levels of encrypted phones. One is the public level, the one that you saw online, very common encrypted phones with maybe some SIM cards that are anonymous. It's all kind of bullshit and they are all hackable. And you can see what happened with EncroChat and SkyCC. This is for the public so that it can be controlled, it can be supervised, it can be intercepted. But then there is a much higher level of encrypted phones that we call super encrypted phones with cyber defense solutions installed inside that are used by the top level world leaders. This is what we do. Contact us, we will explain more.